Hello kiddos, let's learn numbers. First of all, let's learn colors name. Green color, green color. Orange color, orange color. Sky blue color, sky blue color. Purple color, purple color. Brown color, brown color. Parrot color. 1 1. So this is how we write 1. Red color. 2 2. So this is how we write 2. Sky blue color. 3 3 3. Brown color. 4 4. So this is how we write 4. Orange color. 5 5. This is how we write 5. Green color. 6. So 6. So this is how we write 6. Yellow color. 7. So this is how we write 7. Black color. 8. So this is our 8. So this is how I write 8. Yay! Pink color. 9. So this is how we write 9. 9. Yes. So 9. Sky blue color. 1 0 10. Again 1 and 0 10. 10. Now let's learn some signs. Alright? So let's learn. So first of all, red color, and this is plus. Plus. And now green color, and this is minus. Parrot color, and this is multiply. Pink color, and this is subtraction. Brown color, the sign is equal. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Plus, minus, multiply, subtraction, equal. Bye bye kiddos. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.